Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening from anywhere you might be joining us from. So, welcome back to class. Today is the day 22 of our Microsoft Excel work hour. So, in today's class, what are we taking? This is what we are going to be talking about in today's class. We're going to be talking about a particular function that can help us to calculate the number of work days. Yes, the number of work days between two dates. I hope you get me. The number of work days between 2 days. And what is that particular function? Now, before we go there, once again, my name is Kowi. I'm data analyst, data analysis instructor also. So in case you want to start your journey in data analysis, you can always reach out to me, or you have a company that needs data analysts, or they need to train their workers. I'm always available for that. So in today's class, we want to learn how to use a particular function called NETWORKDAYS. What does this function do? What it's going to do for us is going to help us to calculate the number of work days between two dates. And what are the work days? It's going to calculate from Monday to Friday. So it's going to calculate from what Monday to what Friday. Now let us just say this equals to, how do you do it? Now I am a recruiter for an example now. So I want to employ someone on a contract job, and the plan was to be paying the person per day. Exactly. I'm going to be paying per day, and I'm going to be paying him for only the days he works for. Exactly. And he's expected to work from Monday to Friday. Exactly. He's expected to work from what? Monday to Friday. So how do you go about that? Just come here, just say equals to net work days like this. Then which day is he starting his work these days? And which day is he ending? Is going to end on this date. Then what, I'm going to close it and say enter. That's it. So that means this particular person is going to work for 115 days. Exactly 115 days. Now, so this number of days is going to work for calculating Monday to Friday. The weekends are not there. Exactly. Now let us not assume that, for an example now, there are some days that were holiday. Exactly. Now let me tell you, if the holiday falls on weekend, it's not going to calculate it. But if the holiday falls on weekday, it's going to calculate it. Now let us just put some imaginary holidays. Exactly. Let us put some imaginary holiday. Now, but note, please note on this holiday aspect, you must note that you have to list the holidays. Exactly, you have to list them. So I'm coming. I'm trying to check calendar, so we can just choose some imaginary days for our calendar. We can choose some imaginary days for our calendar. Yes. Meeting. Let's go to calendar. Yes. So now this is August. Let us just choose August 20 as an holiday. This is September 12 as an holiday. Yeah? Let me just write that. August 20 as an holiday. August 20. 8 splash 20 splash 2024. Let us choose September 12, 9 splash 12 splash 2024. Exactly. Now, let us choose which other day is again. Can we use a holiday? Okay, let us just go to November to go and choose another holiday. Now, so October, I'm going to choose October 10, and I'm going to choose Saturday. Exactly. Now, October 10 and what? So it's now be 10, 10, no, 10, 10, 2024, and 10, 20, 2024. Exactly. Now, let us include our holiday. So you just go back to your formula like this. If you check this intelligence after this comma, what can you see? You can see holidays. Holidays. So just highlight these days like this as an holiday. Now, this is giving more than 12. Why? But I added 4 days. Yes, if you go and check this particular date, this one is okay. This thing of 20, I think it falls on weekend, which is Sunday. So it's not going to count as an holiday. So it's going to subtract this particular day. So I'm going to from 115 we have 414. Subtract this one from 140, I'm going to have 113. Subtract this one from 130, I'm going to have what? 112. But out of this one falls on weekend. Remember that what our network days is what is only calculating and taking into consideration only the work day, which is what from Monday to Friday. Exactly. So that's why it's not going to recognize this as an holiday. I hope this is clear to every one of us. So in case you want to enter into a contact with someone and you just don't want to rack your brain, don't want to start racking your brain or disturbing your brain about which day how will I start calculating to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You don't need to stress yourself. Just come to your Excel, then use your network base, and you've gotten what exactly what you want within few minutes. Exactly. So thanks for watching today. We meet in our class next time. Don't forget today is the day 22 of our classes. Go back to if you've missed some classes, go back there. You're going to see the link of what of our previous video on my YouTube channel. Learn with Kowi. Learn with Kowi. This is it. Learn with Kowi. And also, if you want to start your data analysis journey, by God's grace, there is a particular data analysis class that will start in October. So you can always come and enroll for that, and let's start your tech journey from there. Exactly. So I do have a nice time, and thanks for joining me today. We meet in our class but this time tomorrow, unfailingly. What's sparing our life. Bye. Do have a nice day.